government corruption happens because the official misuse their power.
I agree. In Indonesia, a lot of leaders and also the governments misuse their position just for their advantages without thinking the bad impact that can be bad to the other people in the country.
They take people money, so the development becomes slow.
That's a lot of project of infrastructure in Indonesia that doesn't work well, doesn't fix on time, or even fail.
The funds disappear, therefore the develop, the services become poor.
Yeah, it ends up with people getting low quality of healthcare and also education. This become a very important case that we need to search for solutions as best as we can.
People suffer as a result inequality grows.
Yeah, it creates a big gap between poor and rich that getting wider and wider.
We need a honest people, we need a honest government, so Indonesia can be a good country.
I agree. In Indonesia, we need honest government and also honest leaders that can lead Indonesia to a better country and also get improved lifestyle.
They people trust the government, but they even don't know what the government do.
I agree. Politicians and also governments in this country always talk sweet in front of the camera, but behind the camera, they do a lot of such bad things that bring a bad impact for these people in this country.
Uh, People feel disappointed and angry with the government because they already use their money to do anything.
Uh, yeah, of course, yeah. So do you actually what? Because this case of corruption always comes every year and every time. Every time that we think that this corruption case already done in that year, this corruption case always appear and appear again and getting bigger and bigger.
We need strong laws to punish corruption officials.
I agree. The laws must to we must to make a stricter punishment that makes corruption officials think twice before they do corruption or even steal.
Uh, we need to we need to report this corruption case.
I agree. The authorities and also the people must work together to investigate more about this case and also to report more. And the most important thing is to arrest all these corruption officials so this corruption case can be closed.
Indonesia can be a good country if there's no more corruption.
I agree. This country will become a better country for people to live on. So if there's no corruption, this country